Nouns. Let's learn nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word for a person, like a postal worker, a scientist, a girl and a boy. A noun is the word for a place, like a city, a hospital, or a park. A noun is a word for a thing, like a laptop, a hockey stick, or a robot. A noun is a word for an animal, like an octopus, a duck, or a fox. A noun that we know about but we can't look at it or touch it is called an idea, like love, time, or peace. Let's review. What kind of a word is a noun? A noun is a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Let's practice finding the noun in a sentence. Which word is the noun? The dog is sad. Dog. If you said dog, you were right. Find the noun in this sentence. Eat some pizza. The noun is pizza. Which word in this sentence is the noun? The town is very old. Town. Town is the noun.